Hello, in this video we are learning how to find the inverse of a function using a function machine, or we can call it a flow diagram. And our question is find the inverse of this function. So we are going to first draw the function machine describing this function, that x has been multiplied by 2, and then we add a 3, and the whole expression we divide it by 5. So let's write that in our function machine. We start with x as our input, and we multiply that x by 2. So when you multiply x by 2, you get 2x. Then we add 3, and when you add 3, we get 2x plus 3. That is the numerator. Now that whole expression is being divided by 5, and that gives us our function, which is now 2x plus 3 out of 5, which we can call y, or the function of x. So this is the function machine describing this fx. And now we are going to find the inverse of this fx using this function machine. And to find the inverse, we reverse everything in this function machine. We started from the left. This time around we start from the right, and we say x we find the inverse of this, and the inverse of this division is multiplication. So x is going to be multiplied by 5 times 5, and then that gives us 5x. Then the inverse of plus is minus, so we shall say minus 3, and that will give us 5x minus 3. And then the inverse of times is division, so we are going to divide by 2, and that will give us our final answer for the inverse to be 5x minus 3. All of it is being divided by 2. So the inverse of this function is that. You can just write it in simple terms, that inverse is 5x minus 3 over 2. Thank you.